This is the summary for lesson 1. And the main point of this summary is that if you have scaled copies, so the green rectangle is a scaled copy of the blue rectangle, or vice versa, then you can always line up their diagonals along a straight line. So the diagonal of this blue rectangle will line up with the diagonal of this green rectangle. So those diagonals will always line up when you have scaled copies. And so what is the scale factor? And we're going to do a lot of this. This takes a little bit back to 7th grade. So the scale factor is the ratio of the corresponding sides. And so the ratio of any two corresponding sides. So in this case, the ratio of these two corresponding sides, this green side, compared to this blue side, that ratio is 3 to 2. The ratio of the corresponding sides is the scale factor. And one way to think about that is that the length of the green side is 3/2 the length of the blue side. So 3/2 of 2 is equal to 3. Well, think about what 3/2 means. So 1/2 of 2 is right here, it's 1 unit. 2/2 of 2 is 2 units. And where's the 3/2? Because it's 3/2 of this blue side. Well, the 3/2 is right here, and that's 1 unit. So 3/2 of 2 is equal to 3. And it's the same for this horizontal side. So 6 is 3/2 of 4. Well, what's 1/2 of 4? That's 2 units. So this is 1/2. 2/2 of 4, the whole thing, is another 2 units. So it's 2 plus 2 is 4 units. And where is the 3/2? It is that extra length right here. So it's 3/2 of 6. 3/2 of 4 is equal to 6. It's 1 more half of 4. So this is 2 more units. So this is 2, 4, 6. All right, so we're going to look at this a lot as we look at scale copies, and we're going to use this line, putting similar images along a straight line as a way to understand what equations for lines are, how you use them, what they mean, so on and so forth. All right, the summary of lesson 1.